hundreds of children and their parents gathered in Shangrao, Jiangxi province, for a one-of-a-kind cultural event that combines English learning with intangible cultural heritage. The event was jointly hosted by Shangrao Library, Shangrao Normal University, and the local Intangible Cultural Heritage Center. The activity kicked off with a bilingual story session about white cranes at Jiangxi's Poyang Lake, perfectly integrating nature, folk legends, and language learning. In the following interactive English class, kids learned vocabulary, such as dough sculpture, through fun games and guided activities.
Can you guys see any difference here? We are asking something. Like, this is the first part beak, second part neck, third part body. Fourth is the most important part, wings. And fifth is legs.
The highlight of the event was a hands-on dough sculpture workshop led by inheritors of intangible cultural heritage. Using white pottery clay, children made their own white crane sculptures by hand, connecting themselves with traditional crafts in a creative way. This event revitalizes time-honored intangible cultural heritage in the hearts of young people and turns English learning into a fun-filled educational experience.